The Bible says, always be joyful. So, are you living a joyful life? Are you struggling to live a joyful life? What can we do to live a joyful life? Can we do something to live a joyful life? Yes, the Bible says, joyful are those who obey His laws and search for Him with all their heart. They do not compromise with evil, and they walk only in His path. So there are four important things that we can do in order to live a joyful life. And the first thing is to obey His laws. In order to obey His law, we need to read Bible. We need to meditate on it, prayerful life, and fear the Lord. The second thing that we can do is to search for Him with all our heart, to search for Him with truth and spirit. And the third thing that we can do is not to compromise with evil. No matter what, we need to run away from evil. We should not compromise or make a fellowship with evil thing. We should not be a part of doing the evil thing. Run from all evil. And the fourth thing is walk only in His path. So today we are in a journey of life. So how we lead our life? Are we leading our life according to God or according to the evil thing? We need to be careful about the journey that we are taking, the walk that we are walking. Let our walk be a righteous walk. So when we do all these things, God will grant His joy and peace in our life, and we will be completely satisfied, and God will be pleased with our life. So friend, if we really wanted to live a joyful life, let us remember these 4 points and live according to it, and also help others to understand how we can live a joyful life. Let's share gospel and bless others. God bless you.